Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You may be trying to use and view a website, and you're finding that you're getting pop-ups. These can be distracting and get quite annoying. So, what we can do is go and disable them and block them. To go and get started with this, we need to head to the top way of Chrome. There you go and see 3 dots, which we can then go and click on. Come down to the bottom of the list, and you'll find your settings and settings. You need to go over to the left and go and find privacy and security, and click there. Come to the bottom of the list and press the site. Then we can scroll down into the content section, and we can find the option pop-ups and redirects at the top. You can go and choose a default behavior, whether you want sites to be able to or not. Allow them. I will not allow, but you could also go and set customized behaviors, for example, not allowing certain websites to send them. Or you can allow certain websites to send.